Imagine this for a moment. What if you had invested just $1,000 in Nvidia 5 years ago? Or bought Amazon stock before the cloud revolution? Or invested in Microsoft before AI became mainstream? Your financial life today would look completely different. But most people miss big opportunities because they wait too long. And later they say, I wish I had invested back then. Well, this video is about making sure that regret does not happen again. Today, I'm going to show you the top 7 best stocks for 2026 companies. Leading the AI revolution, stocks with massive long-term growth potential, and businesses that could make you serious money in the coming years. If you are serious about investing, and you want to build real wealth in the next few years, then this video is extremely important for you. Before we talk about individual stocks, let's understand one very important thing. Every decade has a mega trend. In the 1990s, it was the internet. In the 2000s, social media. In the 2010s, smartphones. In the early 2020s, electric vehicles. And now, the biggest trend for 2025 and 2026 is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a technology. It is becoming the backbone of every industry. Businesses, healthcare, education, finance, entertainment, software, automation. Everything is moving toward AI. And whenever a massive technological shift happens, the biggest money is made by the companies that power that revolution. So in this video, I have selected 7 stocks that are directly benefiting from AI, cloud computing, and semiconductors. These are not random picks. These are companies dominating the future. Let's start with the king of AI, Nvidia. Right now, Nvidia is the most important company in the world of artificial intelligence. Think of it like this. If AI is a car, Nvidia is the engine. Almost every major AI system today runs on Nvidia hardware. ChatGPT, Google AI, Meta AI, Microsoft AI, data centers, supercomputers. They all rely on Nvidia chips. Why Nvidia is so powerful. Nvidia makes the most advanced GPUs in the world. These GPUs are used for training AI models, running AI applications, data centers, gaming, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and the demand for these chips is exploding. Companies are spending billions of dollars on AI infrastructure, and most of that money goes directly to Nvidia. 2026, outlook for Nvidia. As AI adoption increases, more data centers will be built. More AI models will be trained. More companies will need AI hardware, which means Nvidia's revenue can keep growing for many years. That's why most analysts believe Nvidia will remain one of the best growth stocks for 2026. Now let's talk about Nvidia's biggest competitor, AMD. If Nvidia is the market leader, AMD is the challenger. AMD also makes AI processors, GPUs, data center chips, high-performance computing hardware. Why AMD is a great opportunity. Not every company can afford Nvidia chips. Many businesses are looking for cheaper alternatives, more options. Competitive pricing, and that is where AMD comes in. If AMD captures even 5%, 10% of Nvidia's market share, this stock could grow massively by 2026. Growth drivers for AMD AI servers. Cloud computing, gaming industry, enterprise data centers. AMD gives investors high growth potential at a slightly lower price than Nvidia. Next, we have a company many retail investors ignore, but on Wall Street, it is a giant, Broadcom. Broadcom is not as famous as Nvidia or Microsoft, but inside the tech industry, it is one of the most important companies. What Broadcom does. Broadcom designs custom AI chips, networking hardware, data center infrastructure, software solutions. Big tech companies like Google, Meta, Apple, Microsoft use Broadcom products. Why Broadcom is special. Unlike many tech stocks, Broadcom has stable revenue, long-term contracts, high profit margins, strong cash flow. So it offers growth plus stability together. For investors who want less risk but strong AI exposure, Broadcom is an excellent choice. Now let's talk about the heart of the semiconductor industry, Taiwan. Semiconductor, TSM. Here is something very important to understand. Nvidia designs chips, AMD designs chips, Apple designs chips. But who actually manufactures them? Taiwan Semiconductor. Why TSM is so important. TSM is the world's most advanced chip manufacturer. Without TSM, no Nvidia chips, no AMD chips, no Apple processors. In simple words, TSM is the foundation of the entire AI industry. 2026, outlook for TSM. As AI demand grows, chip demand grows, and as chip demand grows, TSM makes more money. That's why TSM is considered one of the safest long-term semiconductor investments. Now let's move to a more stable tech giant, Microsoft. Microsoft is not just a software company anymore. It is becoming one of the biggest AI companies in the world. Microsoft's AI ecosystem Azure Cloud, AI tools, ChatGPT partnership, Office 365 AI integration, enterprise solutions. Microsoft is bringing AI into businesses, workplaces, school software, cloud services, and why Microsoft is perfect for long-term investors. Microsoft offers strong revenue, stable growth, less volatility, huge AI upside. So if you want a safer, more consistent AI investment, Microsoft is one of the best choices for 2026. Now let's talk about the company that owns Google, Alphabet. Most people think Google is just a search engine, but Alphabet is much bigger than that. Alphabet's powerhouse businesses, Google Search, YouTube, Google Cloud, Android AI research advertising, Empire Alphabet, has something very powerful: data. And in the AI world, data is everything. Why Alphabet will win in AI Google is integrating AI into search. Advertising Cloud YouTube business tools. With billions of users and massive cash flow, Alphabet is positioned to be a major AI winner by 2026. Finally, we have Amazon. Most people think Amazon is just an e-commerce company, but the real power of Amazon is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Why AWS matters. AWS is one of the biggest cloud platforms in the world, and almost every AI startup and tech company needs cloud infrastructure. More AI applications, so engineers, more AWS usage. More AWS usage, more Amazon profits. Amazon in 2026 with AI growth, cloud dominance. Expanding business, Amazon remains one of the strongest long-term tech investments. How to invest, portfolio strategy. If you want to invest in these 7 stocks smartly, here is a balanced strategy. Nvidia, 25%, Microsoft, 20%, Amazon, 15%, AMD, 15%, Broadcom, 10%, Alphabet, 10%, TSM, 5%. This gives you high growth diversification, lower risk AI exposure, a perfect portfolio for 2026. Important investing tips. Oh, always remember, never invest all your money at once. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest monthly. Think long-term, don't panic during market drops. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing. So today you learned the top 7 stocks for 2026. The companies leading the AI revolution and how to invest in them wisely. Now I want to ask you, which of these 7 stocks is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss future investment videos. See you in the next one. Until then, happy investing.